1, 2. I'm just testing. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and find another 3D viewer. Well, I've got that. It's crap as well. It's this. What is it? Open 3D mod. It's called Open 3D mod. Well, I'm gonna try something else. A lot of online stuff. I just don't want to use an online system because you've got to register and all that. And then you've got to upload your STL files as well. What's this? GMSH. Oh, let's have a look at this. GMSH. Hang on. I don't know what's going on. I should be live. Just a minute. Well, is it? I don't know what's going on with this thing. I'll wait for this frigging page to load as well. I don't leave this page open all the time anymore because it takes up too much memory. Oh, it's on there. Just a minute. Let me just get rid of the other one because it's slowing everything down. Right. I think Russ needs to clear out some of them dead live, some of those dead windows that no one seems to be on ever. I mean, there's a bunch of live stream preview windows on there. There's some guy, that scientist guy or something. He's never ever on. I don't know what the point is. He just slows everything else down. Right, I'm just going to close my preview window because. Right, okay. I'm looking at this thing. I was looking at this thing. I'm going to give this a shot. It looks quite good. GMSH is more than just a 3 STL viewer. That doesn't make any sense. It is right. Okay, I can't even read that. It should be it is, not it is. Oh, what? I wish people would go to school and learn grammar. I'm not even going to read it. I'm not even sure if it'll install on my computer, but I'm going to give it a shot. Where's the download link? GMSH it says. GMSH. Where's the download link? Well, that's something else. This other one. Where's the download link? Doesn't even tell you. Oh, visit GMSH. Right. Okay. Excuse. That YouTube is his Flash player. Oh, mind you, they're moving out with this new codec stuff, but it's horrible. Nah, I've just had enough of all the codecs and all this messing about. I've never had a problem with Flash, to be honest. I think the main risk out there is not so much Flash. It's more to do with ActiveX. It's the ActiveX component that's the problem. And also JavaScript. Right. Download. Now, will it install on Windows? That is the question. Windows 32-bit. Concentric release version 3 November. Windows 32-bit. Linux. I think it must be that one. It's general public, so I want an installer though. Let me just stick this where the other one is. I'll stick it in there. Right, do they have an installer? That's the question. It might be in the zip though. Right, I'm just going to go and have a look at that. What the hell is it? Right, oh, I'm going to open that and have a look. A lot of people get caught out because they tend to blacklist things because of one thing. I mean, for example, a lot of people are misled into believing that Flash is a security vulnerability. Well, in actual fact, Flash in itself is not really a bad problem. It's the associated ActiveX component that goes along with it that's a security risk. And also JavaScript. JavaScript is the biggest problem, biggest vulnerability there is out there. I haven't had JavaScript installed on this computer for like 7 years now, and I've not had any major problems at all. Okay, right, this looks like I can just run it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract that into a folder. I'm going to call it gmsh GMSH. I'm going to stick that in there. Right, and now I'm going to move that folder over here. I'm going to make a shortcut on my desktop. Hopefully it'll run. Right, in the meantime I'm just going to run this and see if it works. No, it won't work. Oh, look. Why won't it work? Oh, somebody gone. Oh, PP's gone again. It's blooming snowing outside again. What was I reading? Right. It's this. I downloaded 32-bit and it won't work, so I maybe got the wrong one. So I'm gonna go back to. Oh, I've just closed that window. Right, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna get the 32-bit. See if that works. I must have got the 64-bit one. Oh, damn it, yeah, I got the 64-bit one. Okay, right, I'll go back in this folder, up one. Delete that folder. Right, I'll extract that one. Where's my folder now? I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Right. There it is. Right. Extract that to there. I need to get rid of that other shortcut that's no good. Right, is this gonna work? Right, okay, it looks like it's working. Alright, let me try and open them files that Alan sent. Let's try this one. Alright, what? Drag and drop. Open. Oh, you bloody thing. Well, you can go directly to that folder. Alright, let's try this one. Oh my god. Well, that's what you call it, wireframe mode. I want more than that. That's wireframe mode. Is there any more? Window, let's see. Options. They must have set it by default to be on wireframe mode. I can't read that. Oh, let's try this. I want to see the mesh. Save options on the exit. That must be the one. Mesh. Surface spaces. Ah, that's better. Oh, that's a lot better. Right. Volume traces. Yeah. Lines. Nodes. Well, that seems to be what I need. Yeah, okay, this is what Alan has been making for me, for my designs. This is one of the actuator bobbin cores. It's a miniature core. Basically, one of these goes on each group of laminations, and these are from the inside group in. Am I still alive? Hi, am I still alive? Because I'm not monitoring myself. Okay, right, good. Okay, because I wanted to make sure. Right, okay, this is one of the. Oh, the zooming. Oh, the zoom's backwards. Right, this is one of the actuator coils, right? And let me open one of the other ones. And Alan's designed this based on my designs, and he's done a pretty good job of that. Now let's look at another one. This is the core that goes right in the middle, and it holds some magnets. Basically, each box, each recess holds 3 magnets, right? And each magnet is about 2 millimeters thick. So there's a 6mm deep hole, and this thing fits inside the hole on the magnet and laminate holder, which is this one. And this looks a lot better than that other 3D program, I tell you. You can actually see some of the details. Right, so the laminations. I'm trying to move this left and right. I don't know how you do that. Do a hold shift down. Oh yeah, hold shift down. I can move it around. But the laminations basically go in these slots, in between these slots, right? And the magnets are in the center. Hang on, let me just do a screen. Right, the magnets basically go right the way down the middle there, through this bit here, and the laminations are in these slots. And then the inner core, there's laminations over here as well, all the way down. And then in this core over here is where the central magnets are actually sandwiched up against this wall here. Right, and then I've got an outer ring which holds magnets against the outside laminations on there. So the next one is the bobbin, which is not right yet. Alan made a mistake. He didn't put he didn't put any room for the wire, so he's got to redo that one. But this is supposed to be the bobbin, but there's no yeah, anyway, it's alright. I've updated him on it, and he's going to sort that out, I think. Yeah, because right now it's a solid block, and these faces, just a minute, right? These faces down here. Oops, I can't do a straight line with this mouse. These faces are supposed to be, I think it's 30 millimeters, I think. Anyway, deep. There's supposed to be a trough there for the coil to go on. Anyway, you get the idea. And obviously the laminations go for the slots. And then there's the outer. Oh, this looks a bit offset actually. No, don't know if it's good. Maybe it's the perspective. They look a bit offset. Oh yeah, there's a problem. Yeah, it looks like he hasn't got the holes in the right place. I don't know if it's this program that's just glitching on me or what. I don't know. But that looks like the holes often. It's not. Doesn't look like it's in the center. Neither's that one. I don't get it, because the other program, it seemed to look alright on the other program. Maybe there's a problem with this program. Let me just open that one up in the other program. There was two of these. Let me go to the other one. Open out of box. This was the first one he did. that's just that's just for the magnet holder. Um, uh, oh, looks like I can only open one file at a time by the looks of it. Right, so if I open this one in the other viewer, the crappy viewer, the one that doesn't look very good, I think it looks centered on there. I'm just going to double check. I'm going to wait for it to load. I think I need copy. Oh no, it is off center on there as well. Yeah, this is a crappy view. It doesn't look very good. Yeah, it's definitely off center. Yeah, I couldn't see that properly yesterday when Alan was asking me because this viewer is very poor. It's not very good. But yeah, I can see that it's off center. It's not in the middle. It's deceptive, you see, because this wall on this side is white and this wall on this side is dark, and it gives you the illusion that it's in the center for some reason, and it's not. Maybe it's because this wall is glaring more at me. But this box down here, all the boxes need to be further to the right, to the left, sorry. So it needs moving about to about there, that edge. Yeah, I'm gonna have to mention that to I'll have to email Alan. Right, I'll get rid of this other viewer because it's horrible. Yeah, it's not right. If Alan comes in, would you let him know? Because I might not be awake later on. But it's basically part 1 SDL. The boxes are not in the center, and they should be. They should be in the center, and I don't understand how that happened. It looks like it's possible, based on how he built this model. He might have accidentally measured it. He might have measured this line, this part here, from that end, and this one here, he might have measured from here. It's possible that that's what's happened. Anyway, I'm gonna go and make coffee. Yeah. It's freezing. Mm. Well, actually, the snow's melting. Good. Mm. It's obviously getting a bit warm because the snow's melting. So, um, somebody's trying hard to get a 6. Anyway, I'm glad I got this other viewer. It looks a lot better, but it's I think what I'm seeing is lines lines based on the way Alan drew it out, maybe. I assume those lines are. It probably needs optimising anyway. I'll have to drop him an email. I'm eating an orange, by the way. I'm not throwing anyone any kisses. I'm just sucking on my orange. Sucking on my orange. Ah. I don't want to get cold. Let me just see. Right. Put my orange on that tissue a minute. Yeah, it's cold. Right, just let him know about this. So it's that one. I maybe need to give him some dimensions. So if I go back to my drawings, um, need to work this out. I'm going to give him the exact dimensions because there's obviously something's gone astray somewhere. Okay, right. So let me get my notepad out. I'll make a big font so we can all read it. Right, okay, the total width of the slots, that's these yellow slots. Right, so we've got a total length of 110.5 millimeters. That's 110.5 millimeters, right? And we have minus 30 millimeters, right? Equals, right, I'll get a calculator because I can't do this. So 110.5, because it's these fractions that do my heading. 110.5 minus 30 equals 80.5 divided by 2 is 40.25 millimeters, right? So we want we need 40.25 millimeters on each side. So I'm going to 40.25, that is. So I'm going to copy that result and I'm going to go back to my drawing. See if I can stick this in somewhere. Oh, I'll stick it on the blue, right. Oops. I probably need red for this writing. I don't want this to be too small. So we want 40.25 copy that. Oops, what have we done? Press the wrong one. 40.25. Now I'm zooming on this a bit. So that is the distance between, I'll zoom in a bit more. Right, it's basically the distance between that edge rather than drawing this all again. I'm using my magic wand. Just copy that. Oh, that's a bit long. Hang on a minute. Move it over there. Oh, still too close. Oh, Jesus. Right, get the other one. Right, okay. So he should know now what the dimensions are, and I'll send. Well, he'll know when he gets this. Actually, that one's a bit off the edge of the screen. Okay, right. I'll save that. Sending him that, attach it to the email. Right. Okay, I'll just check the. You should be able to see that now. I should clear that up. Right, that's that sorted. I don't. I don't need that anymore. So, yeah. So that just needs sorting out. Now, is that centered? Question: is that centered? Because I'm not sure. It kind of looks a bit wonky. It's just I don't get it. It looks a bit wonky. I don't know why. There's a lot of vertices. That's what's causing It's weird how them lines seem to make it look cockeyed when it's not. It's just flipping lines just make it look weird. Very very confusing. Well, I know that Alan's still learning how to use that software, so that might be something to do with it. It's certainly done a better job than what I would have done, because I'm still trying to figure out how to make a hole in the in. I had some software. I think I lost it when I restored my computer. I forgot what it was now. That orange I'm eating, it's a bit acidic. Get some coffee. That's better. So that's magnet laminate holder. I will just see if I can. What's this merge thing? Oh, it's for merging more than one object by the looks of it. What's this mesh thing? Optimize 3D. I don't know what that's all about. Visibility. Oh. Maybe I've opened too many of these. Oh, that's how I swap between the views. It's under visibility. Well, that's a bit dumb. Why can't they just have a box up here just to click on? Hiding it in a menu. Oh, that's weird. Ooh, feel drunk now. Oh, God. What have I done? Oh, have I moved the... Oh, so what have I done? I can't see a damn thing now. I must have zoomed in too much or something. How do you reset the view? Visibility. I'll just choose something else. What's going on here? I don't get it. What's going on? I must have zoomed in or something. I just don't like programs which do things like that to you, and you should have a one-click reset button somewhere. Unless there is one down there. Oh, that could be it. It's hiding. Just a minute. I need to make this window smaller so I can see the menu. What's this down here? Oh, that's the what the heck? Oh, that's for closing stuff, I think. No, it isn't. What the hell does that do? Well, I have lost an image on here and I can't see it anywhere. I don't know where it is. Well, it can't be there because that's the black spot. I don't know what the hell is going on with this program. I'm just going to close it and start it again because it's just messed up. I just remembered there's no shortcut in my start program. It's here. I hope it hasn't remembered all that shit. Let's see, has it remembered anything? Doesn't look like it. Open. Okay, right, okay, that's good. It didn't mess anything up. I just had to reload everything again. I'm getting weird boxes over here. I don't know what's going on there. What's that? Oh, it's my live stream. Right. Anyway, enough of that. I'm just been prattling about trying to figure this out. At least I've got a better view of that other one was just completely black a lot of the time. You couldn't see anything. But this one seems to be at least better, just more visible. That's the main thing. So if I go down here now, I should just be able to click on each one. Yeah, I can. So that's how I changed my views at this bottom left hand corner. So now I know that. I've learned that. So I think I'm going to go back to my movie.